Got the InSync dish drainer by Jack. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's check this thing out and see what we get. So what we have here is a 304 stainless steel InSync dish rack for your dishes. And it also comes with a 304 stainless steel silverware rack. Look at that. How's this thing hook on? Okay. 304 stainless steel is one of the most popular stainless steels in the world for use with kitchen and houseware items because of its excellent resistance to corrosion and rust. So it makes it perfect for the kitchen and around water. So this rack itself, let's get the tape measure out. From end to end, this guy measures a little over 15 inches with the handles pushed in on here. So a little about 15 1/4 inches by 11 inches. It actually tapers down a little bit. So you're going to think about that if you buy this to put in your own kitchen sink. It's got a couple of handles that pop out here. So let's say you have a larger kitchen basin in your sink and you want to be able to set it over a larger area there. These handles will set it on here while centering this over the sink. That's one cool option for that. It's got 4 feet on the bottom, like plastic feet, so that it will remain off the bottom of your basin when you're drying your dishes, which is a good thing. So it looks like we have room for 7 plates in here, and you've got room for cups over here, whatever you're gonna do. Cups and bowls, a couple slots for bowls right here. Silverware holder with drain holes on the bottom. So pretty cool device. Let's go throw this thing in the sink and see how it works. All right, so here I've got my kitchen sink. It's a typical 2-basin kitchen sink. There's my old rack right there. So let's measure this out and see how long this kitchen sink is. Almost 14 inches. And on the long side, I am just shy of 16 inches. So with the arms extended in, the rack sits in there perfectly. It's pretty tight. This guy's riding up a little bit because of this arm, and you can see you've got the feet sitting right on the bottom there. Now I extend these arms out a little bit. Now I've got the feet off the bottom of the sink for great drainage right here. Actually looks good in there. Yeah, so once the dishes are dried, I can actually remove it, set it on the counter, and put my dishes away up here. And I've got the removable silverware tray, so I can put my silverware away. And pretty nice. Stores off to the side. It's got feet on it. Fits right in the sink. 304 stainless steel. Can't beat that. Best stainless steel there is out there for kitchen stuff. If you're looking for an affordable stainless steel dish rack, check out the Jack dish rack. Pretty cool.